Haduk minta ke Jingiakren Yesuk Hapdeng ke Sorkar India, ke Sorkar Jilla bat ke Hnlc National Liberation Council Hnlc kala Iaid Suki Shabab Palat. Wat kipat baru kila sedang ban kelet no ia keni ke pang. Ubak sadon bela uksiang na keliang ke Hnlc ulai tuuk bakeni ke kam kadang don ha ke pang ruat jingmut. Uloong banda kedau jong ke election ha ke jela ki phang ban ye mer jingmut lingba ki jingalang baro lai liang kila sakun balabut teng no shwa shipor. Ukirmen bat kmi linti bagi kam kidang sedang banyat stet nang ni shakmat. Uloong ru haduk minta ke jingya kenduk kila yalam syakatong jong ke jingsuk ya ke baki pai ba ki terang ban yu i kam kloy kat bala. Ubak sadon bela uloong ru bawat la kamdon kenu ke jingbuk kendon ye ki phang Jingiakren uloong bas ngau ban ye ther ru ye ki mat jong ke instrument of accession.
Kali kam ta kaya bihi tang baka sudon no baka kawan no election to. Saka kapor wa ya election gitu ki arnai ta kamdon kanu ka jingya kendu jingya keren gitu kana. To banyong baka kakam hadu munta ta kaya dai. Kalong positif kamdon kanu ka mau jutut ka pantut ya progress juga kamdon.
Tikani ka formal peace talks kala sedang ni kampat sedang ni.
Hadu munta ngimpat don kanu ka formal talk. Unofficial talk kalau judon. Dia kata banyak ke formal ke pengin keren ke agenda kibi-kibi tak ngimpat dia tempat.
En nakai ka daw ba kani ka kam shimpor no.
Kelemar ka don ki jurat ke beri technicalities part ya ka peace process ya technicalities jong ka proses. Kelemar ba kali kamde kam tang jong state government kamde tang kam jong ka agency kade kam jong ka union ministry. Ating dalam semua bagian ke state government bat ka agency nak kalian ke central government ke semua bampat yang ngomong ya ka proses ndoi ki technicalities. Ating ke central government ke kuat kumui ke state ke kuat ke hapen wandu kumui jana nak kalian ke sen ke hapen wandu kumui long kita di technicalities ki bang ya ni ya pusang ban penwai adu ni sini bang tak.
Atau ki agenda sena kalian jong ka Hnlc kala abu ni mak jong ka Sorkar.
Ka agenda sini sebut andala ada ka formal talk yang mentang yang pala spell out di agenda sini.
Nakaliang kini ki novelam kinwan kiton itu kan ki yang sepo.
Andala ada ka formal talk tu kin habang.
Nganu ki milti ta uston.
Nganu pala anjar katang tu gending nong yang mana kemari. Nomor kumba pidi bentuk nomor ba tipor ba shua ke election dan nakaliang foreign secretary political secretary kilawan sini asa sini. Kaya mentang balang sa sini du Sherman o vice chairman balang sa sini long ka si bentar balang peteng yang kali kam. Tendala ya formal talk kin sayawan. Kibari-bari binwan kum ka disekat kum ka jing ka delegation na syati kan juk subir ke joki kadang komen dan kalian central government kadang government state government kadang kamdon kan ono ka banong ba kimnong serius lagi ya kidan komen ka wala pura
What about the cases against them? Yeah, there are cases against them.
cases when the talk is on the table then we can deliberate, we can negotiate, we can talk about all these cases. So right now the concentration is basically on the process to move forward.
Do they have any safe passage conditions?
It's already there, safe passage. Since I think I have held a press conference regarding the safe passage of the leaders who are partaking in this entire process of peace.
So the
What
government
about-
is willing.
Yeah, the government has already endorsed that safe passage.
What about amnesty? I mean, has this been
You
discussed?
see, these are the bigger issue. Like right now, we are talking of the safe passage. Then generally, if we look about the modalities of conducting this peace process in the other part of Northeast, also we find that amnesty must be there. Then follow a kind of ceasefire arrangement. Then rehabilitation arrangement has to be done. I mean, all those things. These are the technicalities that we are dealing with right now.
What about the criminal cases? Because earlier militant groups they asked for writing of all the criminal cases.
See, writing of criminal case, basically in one word, it means amnesty. Whatever criminal case for us relating to these rebel groups in India and other part of the world, and even in Northeast also. Waiving of criminal cases is a general plan within the amnesty. So far, amnesty we have not yet discussed at any level. But once the formal talk is scheduled and it's held, then we can deal with these criminal cases because amnesty is a must. You see, lead by Tafit Thank you. He is neither he has neither participated in the peace process at that point of time, and secondly, he is not surrendering. He is a retiree of the organization. So it does not be fitting for him also to claim for the rehabilitation because he has never surrendered, and at that point of time, the peace process is not in process. So it is befitting what he has done.
Okay,
So the rehabilitation, just a second, Bajus. So has the HNLC discussed about the rehabilitation package?
So far we have from the HLC and from my side we have not put any kind of discussion or agendas regarding the rehabilitation.
the thing is about unconditional talks.
Yeah.
What exactly the group wants? I mean, what do they want actually?
You see, a talk cannot be 100% unconditional because if it is unconditional, then we don't need to talk. There are agendas like political agendas, political issues, and other issues concerning the stand of the agency, which has been there for the last 37 years. So basically, we cannot say that the talk can be have to be unconditional. There are conditions that we have put forward.
What about this instrument of accession and standstill agreement?
It's there as a part of the negotiation. Nanti ka kam ka bala balik kerki. Lama almost 40 years lajang suppose nam ka struggle ka layak te ban chuyele kerki ru yo ka mi pat kono ka ba mi Hapdeng hagi babun kiliang ka mo bangin bu dan lain lalu kan sedang ngat lain ka adi kaput ngin saya hab hi ban putih pres.
Basaran, what is the actual strength of the HNLC? at
Kata
present?
ngam am komen.
You have not heard anything about the commander-in-chief so far, whether he's part of this whole negotiations.
Lada ka interest ka hierarchy dong ka Chelsea Kim Long involved hakan ni ka peace process ni mla ay gan proceed.